All right, welcome back to part 8 of the 1955 Longboy restoration. I really hope you enjoyed part 7 where we got the engine on. In part 8 here, we're gonna go ahead and get the blade installed, the handle, and the gas tank. So stay tuned.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and prime the mower blade. So we're gonna go ahead and install the handle brackets. What I did is I went ahead and painted these, and then I put some sticky felt in here to prevent the handle and the bracket from being scratched. Okay, I've got the bolts installed into the brackets, so we're gonna go ahead and put them on the deck. Okay, I've got the brackets positioned. I've got my dad here visiting, so he's gonna help me hold the handle. All right, we've got the brackets and the handle positioned, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the nuts on the bottom. There we go, handle is installed. I was able to save the original grips. Okay, so we got the mower back on its side, and we're gonna go ahead and install the blade. So first with a steel washer, rubber washer, fiber, the blade itself, another steel washer, and the nut. We're gonna go ahead and hit it with the impact wrench, get it nice and tight. Okay, we've got the gas tank here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, get the rust off of it, and put it in the parts cleaner. And then my plan is to paint the bottom red to match the shroud. And you can see there's some old red paint on there. Okay, we got the tank out of the parts washer, got it nice and cleaned up. and it's ready to get some paint, some red paint on the bottom to match the shroud. Let's go ahead and paint the bottom of the tank. All right, let's go ahead and get the painted gas tank installed in the shroud. Shroud on.
Well, that wraps up part 8. Thanks for watching. In part 9, I'll have the mower completely done. We're gonna go ahead and run it for you. Hey, if you've been watching since part 1, that's great. If you haven't, go back and watch part 1 all the way through this point. It's been exciting project. I've had a lot of fun. After part 9, when I go ahead and run the mower, I have a few plans for another project, so I plan on revealing that to you guys. I think you'll enjoy it. We'll see you in part 9.